All right, everyone, welcome to the last slide lectures for chapter 2, and we are going to focus on hereditary environment interaction. We're going to focus really on the nature and the nurture debate. A lot of chapter 2 has really been about the biology, but I really want us to also understand how the environment plays a role and how the environment interacts with heredity. In order for us to understand the environment's role and biological differences, we have to look at the shared and non-shared environmental experiences. So we look at the shared and non-shared environmental experiences to help us explain the biological differences. So, for example, shared environmental experiences may include, we have siblings, for example. The siblings may have experiences of going to church with their parents, or they may have experiences of sitting around a dinner table with their caregivers. Additionally, the family socioeconomic status is another shared environment that siblings all are engaged in and share. And also the neighborhood that siblings live in. That's another example of shared environmental experiences. So because of these shared environmental experiences, that may influence how children grow up. On the other hand, you may have twins that were separated at birth, right? So they have these non-shared environmental experiences, which may include if the twins were separated at birth, then they would have different experiences with their families because they are in different families. Altogether, what I'm trying to really get you all to focus on is looking at the epigenetic view. And the epigenetic view stems from G times E, or genes by the environment. And the epigenetic view simply is that the environment and hereditary, such as your genes or your chromosomes, hereditary and the environment work together to produce various things such as a person's intelligence, their temperature, their weight. Another thing might be their ability to pitch or play sports. There is a continuous bi-directional interchange that happens between heredity and the environment that impact children's development. So I want you to remember G times E. Genes times the environment. It is bi-directional. Genes and environment influence each other, and that ultimately influences children's development. Okay, that's it for this chapter, and I'm hoping that you all learned quite a bit. The first 2 chapters cover a lot, but I have no doubt that you all will do well on your quiz, and you can use your ebook or your physical book. If you have a physical book, you are able to use that as an aid. Okay, I'll see you all in chapter 3.